Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is formation of images. So let's start with your first topic, that is by pinhole camera. Now what does exactly image formed by pinhole camera mean? So students, imagine there is a pinhole camera. Pinhole camera means there is a shape of box without lens, but it has a very minute hole in it. So if there is a minute hole in it, and suppose if I'll place a body outside the box, you can find an inverted image on the other side, or you can also call it as on inside of the box. For example, if you'll observe in this particular diagram, see there's a candle outside the box and there's a small pinhole. And what we can observe, there's an inverted image inside the box. So this is how we can use a pinhole camera. So basically what does pinhole camera does? It inverts the image. Okay. So let's start with your next topic, that is image formed by plane mirror. Now when you will consider the image formed by plane mirror, a plane mirror is basically made by silvering one side of a glass plate. So if suppose I am having a glass plate and on one side I am silvering it. So basically that is called as a mirror. Okay. The plane mirror always forms the image by the reflection of a light. So basically how does the image is formed? By the reflection of a light. So students, let's see the characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror. So the first characteristic is the image is virtual. So how does this image is? It is virtual. The next characteristic is image is upright, not inverted. What it is? Upright. The third one is image is far behind the mirror as the object in front of it. The next property is the image is of the same size as that of the object. That means the size of the object and the size of the image is always equal. And the last property is the image is laterally inverted. Okay, the image is laterally inverted. For example, if you observe the image in this particular mirror, can you see a lady standing in front of the mirror? So the image in the mirror is laterally inverted.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.